Welcome back to Lancaster Volkswagen. Today I'm going to be showing you this stunning 2018 Volkswagen Polo SE in pure white. Now it's finished in the pure white colour, which is obviously the best colour for a Polo, just like the mint. And it's also got the factory fit design style pack on it, which means it's got these lovely 15-inch bike cut diamond cut alloy wheels. And it looks really, really smart and modern. You've also got your daytime running lights down here. It's really smart on the outside. I'll just give you a little look around the outside and then inside and tell you a few benefits with this car. So you've got front parking sensors. And then to the rear of the car, you've also got your rear parking sensors. So much easier to do parking. And it's a relatively small car anyway, but you've now got the size on this Mark 6 Polo. You've got the size of almost a Golf, so you get a lot of size in this car for such a small vehicle on the outside. I'll just show you around the inside now, and I'll have a little bit more of a talk about what the benefits are of this car. So now on the inside of the car, got your dash. It's a semi-digital dash, so you've got your dials and then you've also got your TFT display in the middle, so you can show your consumption, things like that, your range. Then you can change it if you want. You can have it on your vehicle status, what music you're playing and things like that, so that can be really useful. Onto the 8-inch center screen, you've got these physical buttons, so that's for zoom and for your menu if you don't want to use the touchscreen. If not, you've also just got your touchscreen screen. It's an 8-inch screen and it's all in colour. It's very nice. You've got DAB radio on here as standard, and then you've also got your Apple CarPlay if you'd want to add that on, or Android Auto. So if you've got an Android Samsung phone, you can use it, or Apple, you can have your navigation and everything like that on there. Another option this car has, it's got the dual zone climate control, so you can change the heating on there. You can have different heats on each side of the car, and you've also of course got your air conditioning, so it's all digital on there. It tells you your fan speed and you control it with your knobs. Lower down you've also got 2 USB points, really easy to use, and the seats here, as you can see, they are in the Kensington cloth, so it's just a black simple plain cloth. Looks really smart and definitely will stand the test of time. Then above here you've got your sunglasses holder and light control unit. The lights work like that. To the back as well. Oh, come on. You've got your sunglasses holder. Let's have a little look in the back of the car. You've got ISOFIX points in 2 of the seats. In your glove box you've got the service book, and as you can see, it's really tidy. This car's only done 18,102 miles, so almost a new car really, and it's really clean and nice inside. Of course, we'll get it valeted for you as well before you buy it. So another benefit to buying an approved used Volkswagen is you also get a 142-point check, and that's all included in the price. 2 years servicing when you buy on PCP. You also get your 2 years warranty as standard and 2 years roadside assistance, so you get a lot of benefits. Altogether, it's around over £2,000 worth of benefits that we're just giving you for free. This car's priced at $14,465, which is really well priced, and as you can see, really smart on the outside. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us or ring one of our team.